How to delete Facebook video watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook video watch history step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And after that, just tap on settings under settings and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the activity log. And now here, once you're inside the activity log section, simply tap on your Facebook activity. And after that, you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage post. And now here on the next page, you'll see the filters button at the top. So simply tap on it. And after that, from the pop-up menu, simply select categories. And after that, just tap on the option labeled as videos you have watched. And here you'll see your entire video watch history. So here, what you can do is you can simply tap on the three dot icon beside the video that you want to delete, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on delete and it will be deleted from your watch history. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.